Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to transfer data from Android to Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to transfer your data, so let's see how can you do this. For this, you just have to look for Easy Share in your phone. If you won't get it, you can easily install it from Play Store. Just open your Play Store app and here just go for search and just search for Easy Share. Just search for this. Tap on it and install the app. As I have already installed, just tap on open to open the app, and here you just have to select file transfer, then select which you want to do on this device. If you want to send to this device, you can easily select send. If you want to receive data on this device, just select receive. I'm going to send from this device. Just tap on it, and here you can see it has been created. Now you just have to open the same app in the second phone. Here's the second Android. You just have to look for Easy Share in the second phone. Open it, and here just select the same file transfer. Then select receive from this device, and here it is scanning for the device. But if you want to get the device here, you can easily select scan to connect. As here I have got this device, just tap on it to connect, but I am going to select scan to connect. So for this, you just have to select this icon on the device to generate a QR code just like that. So after that, just scan the QR code with the scan to connect option. Tap on it and then scan the QR code. So after scanning, your devices will be connected just like that. Here you can see these are been connecting. So after connecting, you can easily send files from this, but I'm going to send files from this device. Just select the file which you want to send. Here's your apps, videos, images, music, files, contacts. You can easily send which one you want. So I'm going to select images from here. Just select this option to select all images, and here just select this option to select all apps. Here you install the app, and here the APKs files which you have on your device. So just select the files and then select send from here. So after that, your all data will be sent to the second device. So in this way, you can easily transfer data from Android to Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.